So till yesterday we have seen, guys, if else ladder. So today we'll see nested if statement and switch statement. Okay, today day 11 we will see nested if statement and switch statement. So these are having really very interesting examples, both of this, right? We'll go deep down. Now let's see what is the syntax of nested if else, right? So syntax will not write over here, we'll type over here so that you guys could get understand properly. Okay, so what is the use of nested if statement? What nested if else contains? What is the meaning of nested? The nested statement, if statement contains if or if else. Okay, if statement, what is if statement? If you are having the if statement, okay, if you are having the if statement, okay, and that if statement is if statement, and the if statement contains if or if else statement. Okay, means if you are having already one if statement, तुमच्याकडे जर already if statement असेल आणि त्या if statement मध्ये and into that if statement you are having one if or if else statement, means one if statement contains if or if else statement, that is called as what? Nested if. Simple, it's so simple. What is that? If you are having, let's say, just simple, I will write in detail over there. If suppose this is your if statement, okay, suppose this if statement consists of again if statement, okay, you can check it, here is no closing, okay. So one if statement consists of if and if else, okay. If this contains if and if else, that is called as nested if else. So let's see syntax of that, and you people could get and really easily if, sorry, if bracket condition bracket close start statement one, if condition condition one, here it is, So when this statement will get executed in
If the first condition is true.
okay, it will it will execute when your condition becomes right. It will execute when your condition becomes true. So let's go to condition number 2. So what does it contains? Here, STAT is statement number 2. Okay, semicolon. It executes. Okay, when condition 2 is right. So after that, statement 2. Now see, check it. This is an closing of what? Closing of which? I will make a bit sorted one for you guys. Okay. Got it? Now this curly bracket, this block is of this statement. Right. Now, after that, simple else. See, this is only one if statement, right? And if into that if statement, what I'm doing, else, enter statement, simple, execute, sorry, executes. When it will execute? When it will execute. This else when it will execute, tell me.
When both the
If
conditions, if
no, no,
conditions are
no,
false.
no, no, no. Yes, anybody else?
First
We are
condition is
When
true,
if condition is false, then else condition is executed.
if your condition 2 exactly if your condition 2 is false, Amadev, got it? If your this condition is false, right? If this has been false, sorry, if this becomes now if it has been true, right? If this condition is true, obviously this will execute. But when this has been false, okay, when your condition 2 becomes false, okay, it will execute this else part. Clear?
Yes.
Got it, everybody? Now, see, this is if, this is a starting block of if condition, closing of this, then the closing of, starting of else, closing of else. What remains? What remain?
else.
Closing of
Condition 1.
Closing of condition 1. Right? So here it completes the syntax of nested if statement. Right? Got it? So we'll do a simple code now.
आणि सर अजून एक एल्स लागेल ना जर फर्स्ट कंडिशन जर फॉल्स असेल तेव्हा
ते करू शकतो आपण नंतर. It will create a confusion. Nested's meaningच काय? What is the meaning of nested? Let me take you over. Nested, what is the meaning of nested? This if contains. Okay. This if contains else statement. हा तुझं असं म्हणणं आहे का? मी सांगतो. Closing of that else. इथेच ना. Let's say.
हा
Yes, बरोबर आहे. हे पण करेक्ट आहे. क्लोज आणि मग काय झालं? हे क्लोज. क्लिअर. मग हे एल्स कशाचं आहे? एल्स कशाचं आहे? आता हे घेतलेलं ऑफ विच स्टेटमेंट दिस एल्स इज बिन?
फर्स्ट कंडिशन
It is of an this condition. Got it? We'll see the code now. See, directly we'll start nested if else statement. Yesterday we have been up to here. The static void main. We'll take string. What is string? What is string?
Data type.
Okay. Let's say Pune. India. But we have taken Pune, India. We have taken two strings. Okay. Now, if okay, can I take it capital? Can I take it? No, I can't take it.
No.
If okay, let's say yeah, A D R E S S. So I made a mistake of spelling mistake. Address. Okay. Address dot ends with what mistake I have done. See, I have done one mistake. Who will tell me?
So spelling
that
mistake
mistake is
in
done?
data type.
Yes, here should be double D address. Now see. So what I'm doing over here? See, we have taken string as in data type. I'll make an explanation. We have taken string as in data type. String as in data type over here. We have assigned two variables. Sorry, address is a variable. Okay. Address is variable. Okay. And Pune and India is values. Right? Clear up to this? Now here, if address, we have taken this address, we have passed what? Dot ends with. Okay, India. Means your address ends with India. If your address ends with India, if, okay, then next, into that if statement, I will take if, another if, I'll take same address. Okay, dot take contains. Okay, address contains Bhajinagar. Okay, make it close. Okay, the address contains Bhajinagar. What I will print? Yes, Y S O tab. Okay, your city is Bhajinagar. Okay, into this if statement. Now, else if your address, okay, dot contains Mumbai. Print out for println. Simple. Your city is Mumbai. The city is what? Mumbai. Now, after that, else, else, S Y S O dot out dot println. Else address dot determine address dot split. And after this, again, else. Come over here. You are not living in quite so simple. See, what would be the output now? This is a code, and what would be the output now? See, we would run it first, and I'll explain the code once again. So see, error came. Unresolved main Java language error, resolved compilation problem, nested if else. Line number 5. Came. Okay. White string args started. This is what nested public static void main string address correct. If your address ends with started, your address ends with contains, else if address contains out, else if correct, else statement, right? Here it has been wrong. Let me check it. Okay, so now I would try to. What was the problem? What was problem? One bracket was been more. Let's try to run it now. Let's see. What's showing? You're getting the result what? Pune. Got
Pune.
it? Right. What I will do? I'll try to take a code bit smaller in size. Okay. And I cannot keep this as it is. So see guys, are you able to see the code or should I enlarge it? Simple. See, so what we have been done, string address, Pune and India, we have given, we have taken these two strings. If your address ends with India, if your address ends with India, ends with what is the use of that? It takes ends with takes last string. Okay. If your address contains, what is the use of contains? It checks. What is this? Contains, oh sorry, ends with what does this ends with? काय म्हणतो त्याला आपण? These are the functions that are being used with string, right? Ends with, contains, right? You can see. So what ends with returns? Ends with specified suffix. True if character sequence represented. I will not read it completely. I would simply say that when you use ends with, okay, and if that address contains that string, it would return the result as an true. Okay, that means what? Your condition will run. And if your address contains, what does it is being used? See, true if string contains, okay, that value you have been given. Else, what it will give? It will give the false value. You can check it, you can read it over here. So this is the beauty of Java, right? You see, when you mouse over here, it tells you each and everything. Okay. Contains character sequences. Contains, you got it. What is the use of contains and ends with? म्हणजे सिंपल आहे. एंड्स विथ काय करतं? चेक करतं की तुम्ही जी दिलेली स्ट्रिंग मध्ये आहे ती एंड होते का इंडिया नावाने. आणि कंटेन्स काय चेक करतं? इट विल चेक वेदर दिस स्ट्रिंग इज बीन प्रेझेंट. आहे का हे कंटेन्स में? इज देयर दिस संभाजीनगर इन योर स्ट्रिंग?
No.
Yes. Is your address contains Mumbai? Is your address contains Sambhajinagar?
No.
Okay. Now, instead of this, if I remove ends with and I'm using contains, what will happen? Whether this will be, which output I will get?
Same
Which
Pune.
output I will get? Pune, 100%.
Yes.
Let's check. See. So your address contains Pune and your string also ends with India. Okay. So both are true, right? And these are all what false condition. It doesn't contain Sambhajinagar. It doesn't contain Mumbai. Okay. Else go down. Okay. So what is the use of the split now? What is the use of split as you see the name?
Divide into two
Divide.
parts.
It divides into two parts. Exactly. Split. It divides. Or let's say what we'll do instead of this, simply I would take it back. Okay, I'll comment this. I'll also comment this. Okay, and I'll try to run this code. So see, it is showing me a result as well. Right? Got it? So it divides, it splits your address into two parts. That is the use of that. It divides into two parts. Okay. Now I will remove the commit line over here, and instead of contains, what I will use? And Okay, I'm using ends with. Okay, and now I'm committing. Check it out. Try to run it. Okay, then also no effect on the code, right? Should be clear. Okay. We'll see it separately, the function of if this split one in an other program after completing this, right? त्याच्यानंतर लगेच आपण स्प्लिटचं बघूया so that you could understand properly. Now here you will get confused. Else, let's say if I am now coming over here and I am putting something, let's say I'm putting Latur over here and I'm executing it. What would I get? Not living in India because it's not ending with Latur. It doesn't contain Sambhajinagar. It doesn't contain Mumbai. Okay, all right. It will take to you that you are not living in India. Had you got this code, I know that you are having an confusion over here to this part. Okay, I'll remove this part from this code. Okay, and I'll execute. You'll getting the same result. Now we'll see the separate code of split so that you guys could not get confused why that split has been used and what is the use of split method, right? Okay. It checks whether the string is present in address or not, right? Clear all of you? This I would send you this code into and chat box. Okay, and we'll see use of split method. Okay, so it is there in afterwards, but then also we'll see. Okay, I think so you all got the code, right? झालं सगळ्यांचं आहे. Now we will see split. What is the use of split? Okay. So do this and show me someone. I'm stopping my screen from your side. Share anyone and show me the executed code. Please go, please be fast so that we can see the next one.
Sir, I shared.
Okay. Done. Okay. Anybody else?
So it was running before, but when I put India, I'm not sure why it is not running.
So what is the problem?
Almost.
What is the problem? What remain? You can check it. Simple mistakes you guys are doing. Now check it. Not you're not getting result.
One else is remaining.
Else, if, two, else. Again, put one else. You're not living in India. Sambhajinagar, Mumbai. Wait. Nested if a program started. I started that also. If completed. Else, if. And should text address contains what remain? City, Mumbai.
One.
Make it a bit sorted one. If you are taken, ends with, you are taken that also.
Brackets are also right.
Save your code first again. Save your code. Now try to run it.
No.
Check that arrow at right hand side, upside down of console. Bottom, bottom side. Is there anything else? Yeah, over there, nothing, right?
No.
So we'll see from the starting now. Okay. So
सर एक ही एल्स बाकी आहे ना स्प्लिट वाला.
not necessary, not required. That is not required.
ओके.
इथं पुणे टाकलं तर एंड्स विथ पुणे टाकलं तर एक्झिक्यूट होतं यू आर नॉट लिव्हिंग इन इंडिया. बट इथं चेंजेस करतोय आणि
Like,
इंडिया करतोय तर पुणे यायला पाहिजे पण नाही येते.
जिथं काय कर मग आता माझ्या केस मध्ये तर ते एक्झिक्यूट झालं. आता तिथं काय कर स्प्लिट टाक मेथड एल्स.
इथं
स्प्लिट
का
मेथड टाक. हा तिथं स्प्लिट टाक. एल्स कर एल्स. Use split method. In my case, it's running in both the way. Else, bracket start. Okay, take that split method.
हा एक्झिट कोड मध्येच नाही इथे.
Address split 0. Take that two simple.
Yeah.
Open close brackets. Open close comma. Sorry, give comma between that, and after that, just simple outside. No. Yes, 0. Pass 0 over there. Now try to run it.
Now it's
See,
running.
now it's coming. Splitting
Yeah.
your address into two. Got it? So in my case, it
सर
was not running. Yes.
याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे फर्स्ट जी कंडिशन ट्रू झाली ना ऍड्रेस एंड विथ इंडिया त्याच्यानंतरच्या बाकी सगळ्या फॉल्स आहेत पण ती कंडिशन ट्रू झाल्यानंतर काय प्रिंट करायचंय तेच दिलं नव्हतं ना आपण
So
त्याच्यामुळं
that's why split has been used.
हो सर कंपाईल होत होतं पण रिझल्ट दाखवत नव्हतं ते.
Yeah, right.
But in my case, the result was showing. You got it? माझ्या
नाही
ह्याच्यामध्ये
सर
रिझल्ट दाखवलं होतं.
तुमचं सिस्टीम डॉटा ते स्प्लिटचं तुम्ही कमेंटच केलं नव्हतं त्याच्यामुळं दाखवत होतं एल्स फक्त कमेंट केलं होतं तुम्ही. तुमचं स्प्लिट
नाही,
होतच.
स्प्लिट पण केलं होतं कमेंट मी. You can check it.
अं,
एक minute. Stop your screen sharing. You can see it mine. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Not it. Yes, now.
Now,
Yep.
let's say see this is a split method, right? Hmm. I'm using ends with, and now I am converting this. हे राहिलं होतं काय as it is.
हो त्याला कमेंटच नव्हतं केलं तुम्ही म्हणून ते दाखवत
Okay,
होतं.
okay, got it. So see, this was my mistake I had done from my side. So yeah, you are right, Sonali. Sonali is na?
हो
Okay. So we'll see separate code of split now. So you know that split has been used for dividing your string into two, right? It has been used for dividing your string into two. Simple we'll see of split. Let me take you over. You can check it. Next one. Split method. This is the split method. Split method divides. Okay, divides the string. Let's say any string you can take. Divides your string into. Okay. Divides the string at the specified regex. What is the meaning of regex? I'll tell you. And returns an array of substring. So you will be having a separate topic on string. Substring means what? String having another string, right? That is called a substring. So specified regex. We will see this practically, and I will tell you. Right? We'll take a completely new program. Where we have been doing conditional statements, right? New code, class, let's say I'll browse it for Java using SRC. I'll browse the package. I'm using here statements. Now I'm using the name. Simple. Public static void main finish. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
How simple I'm using string. Okay, after that, equals to, let's say, tell me one sentence. Now here there is an season, okay, of, I'll make it correct, MAN, mangoes. Right, the mango season is being coming, right? And at last, had taken this long string, right? Got it? Hmm? Clear up to here? Now, next to this, I'm using, see, string. Yes, should be capital string, taking array and storing it into the result, equal to, would copy this. So we are storing now, where we are storing? We are storing everything into an text contents. Now there is a season of mango. And now the text has been assigned to what?
Result.
Result.
Each and everything will contain into the statement, right? Text dot, we're using split. So see here, you can see the term regex. Got it? Are you guys able to see that? Okay. And at last, semicolon. After that, output system.out.println. Make it better. A result equals to. Okay. Now enter using for loop. For loop we'll see afterwards, right? So this is an for each loop. We are using this for each loop. So don't put your head into it. Just concentrate on string, right? You will get to know what is this afterwards. So just pay attention on this. I'll tell you what is the for each loop it has been used. Okay. Simple. SYSO. You can see it. See what result I'm getting. Close the doc. See what result I'm getting. Result is equal to, now there is now. So see, if I want to put it into an one line, so ln is been used for next line. Okay, this ln, I will explain you this code with the help of snipping method. So see, what is this? This is an
Class name.
name of class, right? Did you got it? After that, simple. This is your data type, string data type, and then after This is your variable. After that, now there is a season of mangoes. What is this?
Value of variable.
Okay, this is a value of your variable, and this is a long sentence we have been taken. Now we have to split this. We have to split this right into n parts. Now for that purpose, we are using this statement. String is an array. Into this, we are storing the result, and result is having the text. The text contains what? This complete sentence. Text dot split. We are using this one. We are using split, and this is nothing but regex. Means at this node. Okay. Means I want to split this complete sentence. Now, this is just being used to look it better. You can remove this sentence. No problem. Just he will give you a direct result. So, and this is an for each loop that has been used. String str, okay, to which your result has been assigned. So this result contains all the things. You can check it. This has been assigned to str, and here this str has been print in for each loop. So if I'm ln means what? It's taking complete to the next line. The use of ln. Now what I will do? I will remove the ln from here, and I'll execute the code. Check it. Now there is a season of mangoes. Got it? Clear, everybody? You got it? What is the use of split? Yes. Guys,
Yes, sir.
I'm
सर
sending the
कॉमा कॉमा का घेते सर नाऊ देअर च्या
कोणतं
नंतर
हे का? मग इथं
इथं
दिला ना आपण कॉमा. हे बघा, हे कॉमा दिला ना आपण. आता बघा काहीच नाही दिला आपण. आता कॉमा गेला ना. आपण इथं दिला, तिथं आपण स्लॅश पण देऊ शकतो. तर स्लॅश घेईल तो. हे बघा, चेक करा. गॉट इट?
ओके मी जे प्रोग्राम केला ना सर सेम केलाय बट नाही दाखवते कॉमाचं माझ्या याच्यात
शेअर कर ना तुम्ही. Share your screen. So this is what, this is for our convenience. You can use slash, you can use double slash. So whatever you can. Okay, if I'm using this double slash, what is taking? It's taking double slash. Instead of that, I thought it would be simple. Okay, got it. Now, yes, share your screen. I'm stopping mine.
इथे सर लास्ट मँगोज नंतर कॉमा दाखवते
ln card na te ln card. Next line card. ln remove that ln. Okay. str plus do one thing. Kai, but to just see from the starting. Now there is a season of mangoes. str split. You have been result is equal to. Take it upside. Your हे जे तुझं आहे बाजूचं अपसाइड लागेल थोडस. Space. Remove that. I think so. Space problem is been there. Space दिलंच ना तिथे. खाली line number 11. Check out that line number 11.
वेर इज द स्पेस
Yes, space after plus. Okay, now run it. Mangoes च्या नंतरच काय ते हे त्या ह्याच्यामध्ये ब्रॅकेट. Do the space in bracket.
हियर
ब्रॅकेट इकडे इकडे खाली 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 म्हणतोय.
इथे का?
result str result. Wait, let me check. The result is having split text dot split system dot. Save your program once again.
केला सर.
Now run it. All the reasons season mangoes. Console, check your console. एक minute. Console check कर. थोड़ा सा enlarge. Can you make it a bit enlarged? I'm not able to see your screen properly. Do one thing. Had you taken that string? You have taken results text dot split. Okay. Make
Yes,
only one
yes.
space. Go at line number 7. Go at line number 7. Wait. Go at line number 7. Just give only one space over there. Okay. Yes. Come to the line number 8. Come to line number 8. Remove that comment. Okay. Come to line number 9. Give the space between that str and result that dot. Give space over there for each
आहे
loop.
space.
After that dots. Okay. Down come at yes out statement. Give space after str plus. Then do one thing. 3 brackets. Now try to run it. Now execute it. Give space after that plus also. Give space after that plus also. See, you got the result. Run the code once again. Got the result. Now instead of that comma, make it slash in line number 11. In line number 11, I'm saying.
After slash, where?
No, in brackets, see, you're using comma instead of comma. Let's say I wanted and slash. What you will do over here?
Slash.
Right. I'm stopping the recording.